Hi, it's me, Little Belly Monster. My belly gets so hungry for healthy and tasty food.
Grumble, rumble.
Let's see what Mummo and I are having for snack today.
Hey Little Belly Monster, I picked us up a vegetable that has so many vitamins that people even call it a superfood. And we're gonna make crispy chips with it.
Wow! What is it?
Today we're going to try some delicious kale.
Yummy, yummy, yummy!
This type of kale is called curly kale because of the curly leaves. To get it ready to eat, we cut off the ribs and just have the leafy bits. Kale is a great choice as a different green for making super Caesar salads. Or we can add a few leaves to our favorite stir fries, soups, and smoothies to make them all super. For now, I'm going to make us some super yummy kale chips. All we need is a little olive oil and some kosher salt. We rub some into every little bite. Then we bake them in the oven until they're nice and crispy. And now,
Snack time! That was tasty. So, what are we eating next?
Grumble, rumble.
if you like learning about nutritious and delicious foods, like this video and subscribe.
Eat with you soon!